We have been present in India since the past 10 years, and we have gradually grown from a small trading operation to a full-fledged manufacturing operation serving B2B business, and this is our logical next evolution to service the B2C business. So this is the first experience center of Masonite in India, one of many that we have planned. And the goal of this experience center is to show the retail customer, the end user, what are the possibilities with Masonite products. Masonite brand is very well known in the business and trade circles. This is our endeavor to make it recognized in the end user segment and the retail business also. We have got a consistent strategy since late last year through our advisors Elica Purple to address different metros and different income groups and consumer preferences with the appropriate channels of advertisements. So you will see us in various in-flight magazines, you will see us in several critical hoardings across the country, you will see us in all relevant trade journals across the country, you will see bulk SMSs from us, you will see a lot of creative work in to attract the weekend visitors to shopping malls. The goal of everything is to create what the advertising industry calls the top of the mind awareness for a consumer to feel inquisitive about the Masonite brand, and that is where the final step is the culmination of this experience center, because once that curiosity is awakened, the consumer can come here and actually see what all we have to offer and then choose to make his commercial decisions accordingly. As we speak, we are opening new mini experience centers in Zirakpur, in Vaishali, in Chandigarh. So it's a very large footprint that we are targeting, and there is no one formula to address the Indian market. So we have to do everything to create this awareness. I believe the growth of the country is in tier 2 cities. So our target will be those cities. We have started the experience center in New Delhi as a reference point because of accessibility of government and architect industry. So it is important for us to have a flagship over here, but our future is going to be in tier 2 cities. We have 23 such assemblers in India which are spread all over the country. What we are now developing is below that a pure trade franchise network. So the idea is for a Masonite product not just to be accessible but cost effective and reachable, really at an arm's length for the consumer. The first most important factor we are looking for is credit worthiness and working capital soundness. Given the nature of our industry, we cannot have our partners fluctuating or changing, because these are very slow gestation period kind of products, and also the warranties and customer mindset is such he can recall years later where he had bought a door from. So that financial soundness and credit worthiness is a very important factor, besides which really a synergy, a second generation to look forward to in the business. These are the factors which will ensure consistency and quality of our offering. We have innovated last year and changed the product completely. We have branded it Masonite Gold now, and this product is visually different from all other products in the market because earlier door skins used to be white in appearance and we have got a gold door skin now. So even from a distance you can make out a masonite product from others today. The second thing, we are using a special resin which is formulated for India, which nobody else in the industry has in India or globally. This is a special phenolic resin. When used to make plywood or make doors, it is like a concrete. It actually cures over a period of time. So even after you have made the masonite product, it is actually improving over the next 2-3 years. The third most important thing which is different about our products is our raw material is tropical hardwood, because our factories are located in interior jungles of Malaysia. So our raw material is tropical hardwood. We are the only people in the world who have this raw material. Everybody else is using pine chips. The problem with pine is it is a soft timber and it is very prone to fungus and worms and other such things. But tropical hardwood by nature is resistant to such issues. So for monsoon and humid climates, and especially Indian conditions where people are using a wet mop in their interiors, this is the only ideal product actually, because those pine products are more suited for western home interiors where they are dry interiors with very little cleaning on a daily basis.